make sure to stick around to the second part of this video. We're going to be doing a giveaway for a Vantrue Dashcam, and I will let you all know how to enter. Just stick around after we get some of the stuff unboxed and get the headers off, and maybe you can win one for your car. Welcome back, guys, and today we have a package for the Datsun build. This is like the single most expensive thing for the Datsun. This costs twice what the Datsun cost. Like we paid $1,000 for the Datsun. This cost almost twice what the fucking Datsun did. But that being said, we're still hooked up. This, I don't think I've told you all yet, is the wiring harness for this with the standalone ECU and all that stuff. My boy Hussein, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry, dude. Like, I never actually said your name. You never told me what your actual name was, I don't think. But he's the one that hooked us up, and he does a ton of standalone stuff. Whether you have LS or you have a Datsun, you want a turbo, or just anything. If you need a wiring harness done for your car, hit this dude up. Just hit him up. So let's go ahead and open this. I've had this package for a few weeks now, and I haven't opened it. And shout out to UPS or USPS, the post office. My local post office hates me for some reason. And like, if it's raining, they won't deliver my package if they have to get out of their car. And this is estimated close to like $2,000. And they left it on my porch and didn't require a signature. And it was an international package. But whatever. I have it, and it wasn't stolen. Oh. We have very professional packaging right here. Oh shit. I wish he layered it and said, oh shit, it's turbo time or something. Stickers for Mega Squirt. And yeah, let me sit this down here and I'll pull stuff out. So here is the actual wiring harness. So basically, if you're not a wiring genius, which I'm not, and I probably would have spent 20 or 30 hours trying to do this myself and still fucking it up, this is like the perfect thing. Like, here's the wiring harness. He has everything already on connectors for you. Like, literally, you just plug this shit in and it works. And not only does he like build the wiring harness and stuff for you, he'll help you get it up and running. He won't do your actual tuning for you, but he'll get your car up and running to where, like, you know, like you can make sure that everything is working properly and you can go get like a proper dyno tune. So here is the actual harness itself. And here we have our 14.7 boost controller. And I think this is the actual Mega Squirt box. Oh no, this is the fuse panel. So he makes like a custom fuse panel for you. So if you open this up, it's all labeled. And here we have ECU, CAS, injector, coil, fuel pump, main relay. And he puts another one in there if you want to run, say, a fan, like an electric fan or something. So he actually does this whole nice fuse box for you that you can bolt up in your car, which is also really nice. Air fuel gauge, I think that's what that is. So much shit. I didn't realize, like, I thought I was gonna have like a few wires and that was gonna be it. Here is, I think this is an O2 sensor. Yeah, it looks like an O2 sensor. I think this is for the downpipe. This is a gift. He gave me a fucking gift. We'll wait for the gift. It has a gift and a smiley face. So we gotta hold off on that. I'm gonna be like hitting him up and being like, okay, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I'm gonna be taking a picture of everything he sent me and just asking what the fuck everything is. Because right now, I'm pretty fucking clueless, if I must add. But, you know, that's whenever you pay for him to do this stuff, that's part of it. Like, you get to bug the shit out of him and, you know, ask dumb questions, which, like, the dude's awesome. Like, whenever I was looking for my exhaust manifold and stuff, the motherfucker was on Facebook, like, making deals for me. Like, he had this one dude, he just added me to the message and was like, here's the dude who will buy this from you. And I was like, oh, shit. It's like, that pay for a wiring harness, or did I pay to have a fucking... I think this is the actual ECU. Holy fucking bubble wrap. Yeah, here is our actual mega squirt. Yeah, it's a, it is an ECU. A mega squirt's not what some of you perverts are thinking it was. It is an ECU. Now, I think that is everything in the box except for our special little gift. I hope there's nudes in here. Ugh. Manual boost controller. Holy shit. Why are we goddamn? You know what's funny? Like, I literally just ordered all the turbo stuff. And this is the one thing I didn't buy. I didn't buy a boost controller. And now I'm glad I did. Nice little gift there, considering now it's something I don't have to buy. So yeah, that is the wiring harness and ECU for the Datsun. That's what's going to be running everything, because as it is right now, that's why we had to pull so many vacuum lines and shit off of like the intake manifold and stuff, is because like that's how the shit ran. That's how it told everything. That's how everything talked together. But now when we get the new distributor and the new sensors and stuff hooked up, we will actually be able to manage it like electronically rather than from like a mechanical standpoint. So that is the ECU. Thanks again to Hussein. I think, dude, like, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. If not, I'm sorry. But that's how I would pronounce it, is Hussein. I'm not even gonna try the last name. But thank you again. His link will be the first link in the description. Make sure to check him out. He's gonna be helping out a ton whenever we get all the stuff put on there. We're gonna be talking to him, and he's gonna be getting the Datsun started up for the first time, so that'll be really exciting. But yeah, that was the unboxing of the ECU. Now we are going to get the header pulled off of the Datsun, and we might do one other thing, I'm not sure. So in order to get these headers out, I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight. Like, I hit them up on Instagram and they never actually replied to me, but I still use their tools, and I actually got this. It's like a flex head ratchet. I think it's 70 some teeth. It's really nice. Yeah, like I thought these nuts were coming off, but yeah, just the entire fucking stud is coming out, which is nice. So we can get new studs and everything for it. And we know all the threads in there are fine, so we don't have to do anything with that. This thing should just come off now. Well, there's a washer. I thought yeah, our exhaust is definitely hooked up somewhere down there. So if I did my calculations correctly, this should now properly come off. So there is our nasty old manifold. So this is our turbo manifold like you've seen before. I still need to get the stud fixed on it. Has a bunch of cat hair in it because my cats fucking love rubbing against everything. So let's go ahead and fit this thing on there. So there it is. This is going to be our turbo manifold. Turbo obviously go right here. We need to make a downpipe to go where our exhaust formerly went. And up here is where we will mount the intercooler. We'll have some piping going this way and then back through and into our intake. All right, so now that the old manifold is off, besides the distributor, that pretty well completes the teardown of the Datsun. The distributor, we gotta drop the oil pump to get it switched out. But whenever we tear it down, we're going to go ahead and put the new in there. So I got turbo parts in the mail. There are a bunch of fittings that arrived today. We're doing a full eBay turbo kit on this. Now I didn't buy one of those $500, $550 ones simply because those turbos are too small for this. And a turbo I needed for this would be like the actual kit would be like 800 bucks. But if you're smart, eBay turbo kits do seem cheap. But if you get all the parts yourself and source them out, I ended up spending close to $600 on the complete turbo kit. That includes gaskets, flanges, fittings that you wouldn't get with a normal turbo kit. Included everything for around $600, and I would have been spending $800 otherwise. So we're putting a $600 turbo kit on this. That's basically everything. If there's a few little things we need, we'll get that. That is what is going on with the Datsun. All right, guys, so we're going to take a break from the Datsun and finish this video off by installing and reviewing the Vantrue Dashcam. So this video isn't sponsored by Vantrue or anything like that. Basically, they hit me up and they said, hey, you know, we want to send you one of our dash cams to install and review, and then they are going to give one away to you guys. So before we get started, if you all would like to enter to win one of these dash cams, it's the Vantrue N2 Pro, here's how you're going to enter. To enter and be eligible to win this, all you have to do, and this is simple, I'm going to keep it on YouTube, make sure to click the bell down below to turn notifications on, like the video, and leave a comment on what you would put this in. Like what ride would you put this in to? Basically, it's like protecting your investment. So what car would you put this in? I'll select one winner at random and announce the winner in a week. So make sure to check back in exactly a week to find out if you won the Vantrue Dashcam. All right, so this is going to be the first dash cam I've ever owned. So I've already taken the tape and cut it off of it. So let's see what this looks like. I kind of have like a janky setup right now to get this angle. So if it shakes, I'm sorry. Share your best video and get the chance to win a free GPS receiver mount. Enjoy your product. I'm sure I will. Manual. Don't need that. And here is the dash cam itself. For some reason I didn't expect it to look like this. Look, it has like a nice screen. Here's your rear facing camera with your screen. It looks like it has touch sensitive controls down here. I mean, it's pretty much what I thought it was going to look like. This is 1440p, by the way. So not 4K, but who needs a 4K dash cam? I'm pretty sure 1440p will do the job just right. Take the rest of the stuff out. Looks like this is the cigarette lighter plug. Yeah. So here's a cigarette lighter plug. They include a couple extra, or not a couple, but one USB plug extra for like your phones and stuff. I'm assuming that's what it's for. Extra long because you're going to have to run it all the way from your windshield down to wherever it's going. Here is the suction cup. So I originally thought this was adhesive, so I've been waiting to do this video because I had to actually get my glass replaced on my Challenger because it got fucked. But it looks like in this mount your power source is integrated into it, which is pretty nice, and this is how it connects to the power source. So you just kind of plug this in like that, and you got power. I think that's all that comes in the box. So now we're done with the unboxing. Let's get this thing installed. I'm going to install it on the Challenger because my woman's been driving it lately and it kind of scares me. And plus, who wouldn't like to see a video of her smacking into a deer going down the highway on her way home, because it's bound to happen where I live. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So it's daylight out now, so I think we can really test the camera. And pardon my car, it's very dirty. As you can see, all the nasty shit all over it. Inside's kind of messy as well, as my girlfriend's been driving it. You know, women in their damn cars, shit always stays messy. But I want to show you both the front facing, the rear facing, that's going to be facing towards me, and the audio. So if it's something you're in the market for, you can, I guess, see what the quality's like. With that being said, I'm gonna hop in the car, put the SD card in it, and show it to you. I think it's been a while on the channel since we did a cold start. So let's give it a little cold start. Never gets old. Oh yeah, I miss that sound. I've been driving the truck, the Ricer truck lately. You always gotta love a good cold start. Okay, so it should be recording right now. I hope you can hear this. I moved my rearview mirror out of the way a little bit, just so you all can actually see me somewhat. Because normally, like, it would get the inside of the car, but only like from like here down, like it completely cuts my face off. But you can always readjust the camera or whatever. I just have it directly like in front of my mirror, and I just mainly want the front view anyways. So let's drive down the road real quick, and I guess you can look at some of the footage. Yeah, I mean, it's a dash cam. It should do its job correctly. I think it's all the little things that really make you decide if you want it or not, like the interface of it, you know, if it's a hassle to set up, which it wasn't. The fact that it's not hardwired to me is a plus, because I can take it in and out as I please, like within a couple minutes. And yeah, like all the cables are pretty well hidden. So there it is. And the cool thing is, like, I can take it off this. So now I got a vlog camera. It cut me off actually because I disconnected it, because when you disconnect it from the power source, it just auto shuts off for some reason. But like I was saying, like, you can buy this, become a fucking budget YouTuber, and just start vlogging with the bitch. And then whenever you go to drive, just throw the bitch into its mount. So as I said previously, we are doing a giveaway on one of these dash cams. If you would like one for yourself, make sure to enter. I told y'all earlier what to do, so make sure to go do it. And if for some reason you don't win these dash cams, we have a 15% coupon code that I'll leave in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know we didn't get too much done on the Datsun, but from here on, guys, we have to take the old distributor off, which we're going to be taking it off whenever we go to put the new one on. So we're done with the teardown. From now on, it's turbo stuff. The turbo stuff is in shipping right now, on its way to me. So hope you all get excited. Hope you all enjoy this video. Make sure to click like, subscribe if you haven't already. We got some more Datsun stuff coming. But for now, I'll see y'all later.
Run it up, she in the club. Run it up, she showing love.